Thanks for joining me today. We're going to be making a porch light with using recycled materials. It's a salad bowl on the bottom, a vase in the center, and what I did is I drilled a hole in the bottom so that I could put a set of solar lights into it so it lights up at night. If you enjoy do-it-yourself projects, garden features, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you see all upcoming projects. So I just tested this set of solar lights and discovered, guess what, they didn't work. So I have a spare set here. So just a little tip for you, always check to make sure your solar lights work before you go to the trouble of putting them into your feature that you're making. So I'm just showing you the set I got here from Amazon. It came a set of 2. And for the most part, they usually work really good. This is the first time I had one that didn't work. So always check it first. Each set comes with a little stake that you can put the solar recharge cell on and just face it towards the sun. Now this vase is very, very narrow and I cannot get my hand down there, so I'm just using a wire from a different project off a floral. And I'm just going to use it to fish my line through the vase because I cannot get my hand down there or get any lights into the base of this particular vase. I used a diamond drill bit to put a hole in the bottom just so that I could feed the lights through there. So I'm just pulling some lights through because I wanted to start putting them into the globe top. So in order for the lights to show up, they're very small. So what I do is I glue them to the inside against the glass. So first of all, I just tape it all down and then I apply glue to each of the lights just so that it really lights up well, because when it's in the center, it doesn't really light up the globe. So this is how I found my workaround for this, is just to glue it directly onto the side of the globe. I just set the globe right into a bowl just to stabilize it so I could work on it. Then I just added some glue right onto each of the lights. While that's drying, I just proceeded to pull all of the lights through the little hole I had drilled at the bottom. Would you look at that? The moth is attracted to the string of lights, I think, just the shininess of it. So I'm like, oh, isn't that cool? So I'm just pulling all the entire string of lights through until I get to the little silver part where there's no lights. I'm going to tie a knot and then start pulling them back through to the bottom again. I just wanted to talk about the base of this light, and it's actually an IKEA salad bowl. I painted the inside with Rust-Oleum paint, and it makes it very shiny, and it protects the paint by spraying the inside of the bowl. Then I just glued it on to the vase with E6000. So the IKEA salad bowl, the vase, and the top globe are all garage sale finds. I bought them all at different garage sales. I believe the salad bowl was like $2, the vase was $3, and the top globe was $1. So that shiny wire is attracting all sorts of wildlife. Now I have a wasp coming at me. So now I'm just going to tie a knot in the end and then pull it back through to the bottom just so it doesn't come out the hole at the other end. And now the tricky part is just getting the lights go back down into the vase. And just basically work on it. I use this little wire to push them down and try and get them evenly dispersed. So I just kind of push the lights in, and oh boy, there's another wasp. They just keep coming. So I just keep working on the lights, getting them in, and try to get them even. And once those lights are dry inside the globe, then just pull the tape off. Now I'm just going to apply the E6000 all the way around, and then I'm going to add a layer of silicone because I don't want water leaking in there when it rains. I just added some silicone to the hole I had drilled earlier just to keep the water out as well. So I just realized, oops, I forgot the silicone, so I'm just gonna pull it up and add it quickly right now. I just love how this turned out. You put together a few garage sale finds and look what you can make. I hope this inspires you to try to make your own solar garden light, and I'd love to see your results if you post it below.